Prepare for an incredible voyage as we delve into Vietnam's captivating beauty today. Vietnam has it all, from beautiful landscapes to a fascinating cultural legacy. Come along with me as we investigate the top 12 locations that pique your wanderlust and leave you wanting more. Let's start now. Number 12. Mui Ne. First, we have Mui Ne, a hidden gem known for its captivating sand dunes. Glide down the pristine white and red sand dunes like a desert explorer. As the sun sets over this surreal landscape, you'll be left in absolute wonder at the beauty of Mother Nature's artistry. Mui Ne's tranquil surroundings and unique desert-like terrain make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts. Moreover, the affordable Vietnamese currency allows travelers to enjoy a budget-friendly experience, and the warm hospitality of the locals and excellent service make visitors feel genuinely welcome. Number 11. Hanoi. Back in the north, we arrive in the heart and soul of Vietnam, Hanoi. Wander through the lively Old Quarter, where the streets are alive with food vendors and traditional craft shops. Visit the iconic Hon Kiem Lake, surrounded by legend and beauty. Immerse yourself in Vietnam's rich cultural heritage. Hanoi's vibrant street life, historical significance, and diverse cuisine make it a city that lingers in your heart long after your visit. The city's affordable and delicious street food allows travelers to indulge in a gastronomic adventure. At the same time, its blend of ancient traditions and modernity offers a distinctive way of life that beckons visitors to return for more cultural immersion. Number 10. Phu Quoc Island. Time for an island escape. Phu Quoc Island is a slice of heaven on earth. Relax on its pristine beaches, where the azure waters gently lap the shore. Snorkel through the underwater wonderland, filled with vibrant marine life. As the sun sets over the horizon, indulge in the island's finest seafood, a true culinary delight. Phu Quoc's laid-back atmosphere, stunning beaches, and fantastic seafood offerings entice visitors to return for a serene tropical getaway. The island's affordability and exceptional service make it an ideal destination for unwinding and creating lasting memories. Number 9. Mekong Delta. Embark on a soul-stirring journey through the Mekong Delta, the lifeblood of Vietnam. Cruise along the winding river, passing floating markets where vendors sell colorful fruits and vegetables. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the lush landscape and experience the simplicity and charm of the Delta's riverside villages. The Mekong Delta's peaceful waterways, authentic local experiences, and the warmth of its people create an unforgettable and enriching travel experience. The affordability of local tours and homestay options make it easy for travelers to explore the Delta's unique way of life and connect with its friendly inhabitants. Number 8. Da Nang. Welcome to Da Nang, where modernity meets tradition. Gaze in awe at the mythical Dragon Bridge, which breathes fire and water every weekend. Explore the mystical Marble Mountains, where ancient pagodas and caves hide amongst the limestone cliffs. Catch a spectacular sunrise at Nha-Ke Beach, igniting the promise of a new day. Da Nang's vibrant city life, fascinating cultural landmarks, and stunning beaches make it a dynamic destination that travelers want to explore again and again. The city's affordable accommodations and accessibility to nearby attractions make it an attractive choice for travelers seeking urban excitement and natural beauty. Number 7. Phong Nha Bang National Park. Nature lovers, get ready to be amazed by the wonders of Phong Nha Bang National Park. Journey into the heart of the earth as we explore some of the world's most stunning caves. The magical underground world will take your breath away, leaving you with a sense of wonder and appreciation for Mother Nature's masterpieces. Phong Nga's awe-inspiring caves, lush landscapes, and thrilling adventure opportunities inspire travelers to return for more explorations and unforgettable experiences. Moreover, the park's budget-friendly tours and sustainable tourism practices make it a popular choice for ecologically conscious travelers. Number 6. Hue. History buffs, brace yourselves for the majestic city of Hue, a living testament to Vietnam's imperial past. Wander through the ancient citadel where the emperors once ruled. Cruise along the Perfume River, passing ornate temples and pagodas that seem to float on the water. Hue's regal charm will leave you in awe. The city's affordability and unique cultural experiences, such as traditional boat tours and royal cuisine, make it an enticing destination for travelers seeking a glimpse into Vietnam's royal history. Number 5. Sapa. Venturing to the breathtaking highlands, we reach Sapa. Prepare to be enchanted by the terraced rice fields sculpted into the mountains, creating an otherworldly landscape. Trek through lush valleys and encounter the warm hospitality of the local hill tribes. Sapa's awe-inspiring landscapes, authentic cultural encounters, and rewarding trekking opportunities inspire travelers to return for a deeper connection with nature and local communities. This unique experience will leave you with memories that last a lifetime. The region's affordable homestays and handicraft souvenirs make it an attractive destination for travelers seeking an immersive cultural experience. Number 4. Nha Trang. Calling all beach enthusiasts, Nha Trang awaits you with its sun-kissed shores and crystal-clear waters. Picture yourself diving into the colorful underwater world, exploring vibrant coral reefs, and swimming alongside exotic marine life. Unwind on the sandy beaches, feeling the gentle sea breeze caress your skin. It's pure paradise. Nha Trang's stunning beaches, diverse marine life, and water sports attractions make it a coastal paradise that beckons visitors to return for endless beachside adventures. It's pure paradise. Nha Trang's stunning beaches, diverse marine life, and water sports attractions make it a coastal paradise that beckons visitors to return for endless beachside adventures. The affordable water activities and fresh seafood make it an ideal destination for travelers seeking a beach holiday on a budget. Number 3. Ho Chi Minh City. Now, let's dive into the vibrant energy of Ho Chi Minh City. The hustle and bustle of this metropolis is infectious. Explore its dynamic blend of old-world charm and modernity. Visit the historic landmarks, such as the War Remnants Museum, and savor the mouthwatering street food that will awaken your taste buds like never before. Ho Chi Minh City's dynamic atmosphere, rich history, and delectable cuisine make it an urban gem that keeps travelers returning for more urban exploration and culinary delights. The city's affordable and diverse street food options make it a haven for foodies, while its cultural attractions offer a glimpse into Vietnam's tumultuous past. Number 2. Hoi An Ancient Town. Next, we venture to the captivating Hoi An Ancient Town, a living time capsule that transports you back to the golden era of Vietnam. Walk along the quaint cobblestone streets adorned with vibrant silk lanterns, creating a magical ambiance. The town's centuries-old architecture, reflecting influences from various cultures, will undoubtedly captivate your heart. Hoi An's unique blend of history, culture, and enchanting ambiance make it a town that travelers return to relive its nostalgic charm and immerse themselves in its vibrant cultural scene. The town's affordable tailor-made clothing and souvenir shopping opportunities make it a favorite shopaholic destination. Number 1. Ha Long Bay. Last but not least, we head to Ha Long Bay. Ha Long Bay is a true masterpiece of nature. Imagine cruising on a traditional junk boat while thousands of limestone islets rise majestically from the emerald waters around you. Witnessing the surreal beauty of sunrise or sunset against this stunning backdrop is an experience that will leave you breathless. Ha Long Bay's ethereal beauty, scenic cruises, and unparalleled serenity make it a place where visitors return to soak in the timeless charm of its natural wonder. Moreover, the affordability of overnight cruises and fresh seafood feasts on the bay make it a top choice for travelers seeking a memorable and budget-friendly escapade. And there you have it, the top 12 must-visit places in Vietnam. Each destination offers a unique and unforgettable experience that ignites your wanderlust and leaves you with cherished memories.